Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And we can see that gold steady near record high. Gold powers through new high. Gold steady ahead of FOMC meeting major US economic data. And this is the chart of gold. And gold gave us a shock again. Gold made a high of 369091 and right now trading around 8081 area. Yesterday when we were discussing about gold, okay, gold was trading somewhere around here. As the market was sideways, okay, still we decided to stick to the trend of the market and we only look for buying opportunities because the overall trend was bullish. But honestly speaking, okay, this was totally unexpected. And obviously gold is full of surprises, there is no doubt about it. Okay, but before a major event like NFP, CPI, if market moves, okay, that is really a big surprise or shock, we can say. Okay, anyways, okay, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and as we can clearly see that still there is no sign of retracement because technically gold should come down. Okay, gold should come down to 3600 3500 area, but if gold doesn't come down, we cannot help it. If you want to make money, then following the trend of the market is the only solution, isn't it? So let's look at the trading opportunities for the day. So my dear friends, as we have already discussed in a previous video also, that as long as gold is trading above 3600, we need to consider the market to be bullish. And today, especially today, we need to consider the market to be bullish as long as market is trading about 3650. For example, if market drops also, keep in mind trend reversal and retracement are different things. In trend reversals, okay, selling pressure is very high, you need to be on a sell position. But in retracements, if you try to take a sell position, there's a high chance that you will be trapped because overall trend is bullish. So here, okay, it's better to be on a safer side. Okay, and the trend of the market is bullish, so we'll be mostly looking for buy positions only as long as gold is trading above 3650. Again, I'm repeating, as long as gold is trading above 3650, we will be looking for buy positions only. Okay, now let's discuss the levels. So in a market situation like this, buy at dip or buy at retracement is the best trading strategy. Okay, obviously when we were discussing about the bull flag, remember the bull flag from the daily chart? We were not expecting this, but still it happened. Okay. So the first level where we can look for a buy position, or the best level to look for buy position, is around 3650, the green line. The green line here is the best level to buy. Why? Because if market drops, the previous resistance will work as the new support. It's also a round number psychological level. The green line is the best level to look for a new buy. If you already have a buy, you can hold your buy position, and if you're looking for a fresh position, wait for the market to come down. That's it. Okay, so 3650 is the best level, but the problem is that 3650 is far away. So what is the second level to look for a buy? This one, this line here. What is the level? It is 3657. Around 3658, 365756. This is also a good support where you can look for a buy position. Why? Same logic. Till yesterday, remember 3657 was working as resistance. The same level will work as the new support. Price action. Okay, the previous resistance will work as a new support. So on the chart of gold, personally, I feel 3657, 3650 are the best levels, are the strong levels where we can look for a buy positions. But the only problem is that they are far away from the current market price. So if you want some immediate levels, okay, then we can also look for 63, means 366364, and we can also look for support around 366970. Okay, these are the two levels. Okay, let me write down in a clear manner. Means we can also look for support around 64 and 70 area. Why we can look for support? 64, you can see we have same logic, small resistance, okay, that will be working as support here, and 6970 because of in the morning, okay, I was drawing FIBO like this. Okay, I found that we have FIBO 38.2% retracement around 6970 area. So listen to me carefully. Okay, so if you can observe the market right now, okay, you can see that there is not much volume in the market. If volume remains like this, means before US session, if volume remains like this, then you can expect 70.69 to provide support to the market. Why? Because it's just a FIBO level. In case of heavy selling pressure, it won't be able to hold the market. So in a normal market condition, we can expect a bounce of 60-70 pips easily. In case it doesn't work, okay, then we can look for support around 63, 64 as well. So these are the two minor levels where as a day trader you can look for a bounce of 60 to 70 pips, and if you want you can also hold a trade as well. Okay, and on the chart of gold, okay, as the trend of the market is bullish, so we are looking for buy at retracements only. The best ones are 50, around 50 and 57, 58, but they are far away. So immediate levels are 63, 64, 70. But keep in mind, they are not very strong like 50, 57. Okay. And if market doesn't come down for retracement, then obviously market will be going up, isn't it? So all the markets have two possibilities. Market will be going down or going up. So if market goes up, then you can look for a buy above 3691, means buy at breakout. But 3691, okay, is a dangerous zone because immediately market will face resistance around 3700, round number psychological support or resistance. So if you are planning to buy above 3691, go for a buy, but do not go for big lot sizes because there is a possibility that after 40-50 pips market may come down. So okay, be careful, and if possible let the market cross 3700. Okay, first if market trades comfortably above 3700, then you can expect that 3700 has become the new support. It will be heading towards 3800, but right now 3690, 3700 can be a little dangerous zone to trade for buy at breakout. So if you see that, because see, right now I'm recording the video in the Asian session, things will be different in the US session. Okay, if you see that there's a good amount of buying power, then you can go for a buy above 3691, but avoid big lot sizes because 3700 can cause some trouble. But anyways, the trend of the market is bullish, there is no doubt about it. Okay, so as long as market remains like this, try to be on a buy side only. If you see that there is a sudden selling pressure during the US session, if you see that there is a sudden big red candles forming by the market, then obviously you need to change your trading strategy. At one point obviously retracement will come, but when it will come, nobody knows. That is the problem here. And right now I will suggest the one thing that use proper stop loss. Okay, do not trade without stop loss. If you have any open buy position, trail the stop loss. Okay, and I think that's all from my side. Okay, if anything crazy happens, I will update in the Telegram community because I won't be able to upload video, but you'll find the update in the community. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.